karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox our SMK Fenix open face helmet. So guys, while we are opening it, I would like to tell you, like, we paid around 3200 Indian rupees for it. We ordered it online on Bikester Global and they shipped it to our address here in Jalandhar. So now we'll open the box, we'll take out the helmet, and we will see how it looks, how it feels, and how it fits. So let us take it out of the box. Oh, so here it is. So guys, this helmet, it comes with this storage pouch, okay, and storage pouch has this SMK marking. Okay, so let us take it out. Okay, so it is nicely wrapped. Okay, so one more layer of protection, and here it is. So guys, I hope you can see the helmet clearly. So mine is pearl white, and if you can see this helmet, it comes with this carbon finished patches, two on the top and two on the back sides. Okay, so it has a SMK marking here and it has a SMK marking on the back. So guys, this helmet, it has a dual visor. So it has one clear visor, and if I lift it, it also has one inbuilt sun visor, as you can see. And guys, the first impression of this helmet is it feels very high quality, and all the materials used to make this helmet is very high quality, so you do not feel anything which is low quality which is used on the helmet. And it comes with a warranty card and a SMK sticker and a keychain. Okay, so guys, now I will remove all these stickers, and before we end this video, I will wear this helmet. So guys, I ordered L size, so I wear it so that you can have an idea how it fits. So guys, soon we'll be doing a detailed review of it also. Okay, so guys, here it is. And guys, before I try it, I would like to tell you this helmet is ECE certified, as you can see the marking here. So guys, now let us wear it. So it is L size, and this is how it fits. It's not very tight, it's not very loose, it has a perfect fit. Okay, and it is very easy to clip also. And here we go. So I have to adjust the straps, later I can do it. And here is the clear visor, and guys, the visor is very clear, and here it comes with the button using which I can lower the sun visor also. So it comes down, it goes up. So guys, that's all for today. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, more travel vlogs, and all kind of stuff. All of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.